Where can I deposit money for Relay Bank? Hook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about where you can deposit money for Relay Bank. Intro. Relay Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a low-cost, online-only bank. They offer a variety of accounts, including checking, savings, and CDs. However, one thing that can be confusing is where to deposit money into your Relay Bank account. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can deposit money into your Relay Bank account. Body. Method 1. Mobile app. The easiest way to deposit money into your Relay Bank account is to use the mobile app. Simply open the app and tap on the deposit button. You can then enter the amount of money you want to deposit and select the source of the funds. Once you've done that, the money will be transferred to your Relay Bank account. Method 2. Online banking. You can also deposit money into your Relay Bank account using online banking. To do this, log into your Relay Bank account and click on the deposit button. You can then enter the amount of money you want to deposit and select the source of the funds. Once you've done that, the money will be transferred to your Relay Bank account. Method 3. Mail-in deposit. If you don't have access to the mobile app or online banking, you can also deposit money into your Relay Bank account by mail. To do this, simply print out a deposit slip from your Relay Bank account and fill it out. You can then attach a check or cash to the deposit slip and mail it to the address on the slip. Additional tips. If you're depositing a large amount of money, it's best to do it using online banking or the mobile app. This will help to avoid delays. If you're depositing cash, make sure that the bills are clean and undamaged. If you're depositing a check, make sure that it's made out to your Relay Bank account. Be sure to keep a copy of your deposit slip for your records. Outro. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video has helped you to understand where you can deposit money for Relay Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Call to action. If you're looking for a low-cost, online-only bank, I encourage you to check out Relay Bank. You can learn more about them at their website, https://relayfi.com. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Additional information. You can also deposit money into your Relay Bank account using a wire transfer. Relay Bank does not charge any fees for deposits. Relay Bank is a member of the FDIC, so your money is insured up to $250,000. I hope this information is helpful.